Today I'm going to teach you how to type text on path in Affinity Designer. This feature lets you curve text along any shape or line, which is perfect for creating logos, circular designs, or any creative typography effect. Let's start by launching Affinity Designer on your computer. Once it opens, you can work with an existing file or create a new one. This initial step is essential as it sets up your workspace where you'll be applying the text on path effect. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on None Color. This action removes the fill color, which is important because it allows you to see the path clearly without any distracting background fills interfering with your text placement. Next, head over to the left sidebar and locate the text icon. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Artistic Text Tool. The Artistic Text Tool is specifically designed for creative text effects like typing along paths, making it the ideal choice for this task. Before you start typing, you'll want to adjust your font size. In the upper right area, click on the font size option and select your preferred size. This step ensures your text will be legible and proportionate to the path you're working with. Now comes an important decision about placement. You can click either outside the path or inside it, depending on where you want your text to appear. This flexibility allows you to control whether your text flows along the outer edge or follows the inner curve of your path. Once you've chosen your position, go ahead and type your text in the path. As you type, you'll see your text immediately conform to the shape of the path, creating that curved or flowing effect you're aiming for. To fine-tune the appearance, navigate to Align Text in the top center toolbar. Here you'll find various alignment options that let you position your text exactly how you want it along the path, whether that's centered, left-aligned, or right-aligned. Right beside the alignment options, you'll see Baseline. Click on it to access the baseline adjustment slider. Use this slider to move your text up or down relative to the path. This is particularly useful when you want to create precise spacing between your text and the path line itself. And that's it. You've successfully typed text on a path in Affinity Designer, giving your design a professional curved text effect. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.